MockMe.ai is one of the best new AI tools you need to know about. Whether you're in digital marketing, content creation, or any other space that could use AI, MockMe.ai is worth paying attention to. In this video, I'll walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about this newly released AI software and why it's taking the industry by storm. Stick around until the end, because I'll share how you can try MockMe.ai completely free and why it might be a game changer for your business. First off, MockMe.ai is all about automation, specifically automating how you create and manage AI-driven marketing campaigns. What sets it apart from other AI tools is its intuitive interface, which makes it perfect for people who are new to AI or digital marketing. You don't need any coding experience or a massive team to take advantage of its features, which makes it accessible for small businesses and solopreneurs. One of the standout features is how it integrates effortlessly with your existing systems. It can pull data from your CRM, email lists, and more, and then help you create targeted campaigns that feel personal without the manual effort. If you've ever struggled with segmenting your audience or personalizing your emails at scale, MockMe.ai is going to feel like a breath of fresh air. It's designed to understand your audience, which means you can create campaigns that speak directly to them. Another major selling point of MockMe.ai is its predictive analytics. It doesn't just automate tasks, it learns from your actions and predicts what will work best for your audience. Over time, this software will help you make smarter decisions with your marketing, saving you time and boosting your ROI. You won't be flying blind, and with the constant improvements being rolled out, this could be a long-term tool that adapts to your growing business needs. What about customization? MockMe.ai allows you to customize its workflows, templates, and even its AI-generated content. Whether you're creating marketing copy, blog posts, or even social media content, you have a level of flexibility that's hard to beat with other AI tools. Plus, if you're someone who values branding consistency, MockMe.ai has features that allow you to align every output with your brand's voice and style. Let's talk about the learning curve. You might be wondering if this tool is easy to use, and I can confidently say that MockMe.ai keeps things simple. The dashboard is clean and intuitive, and within minutes, you can start running campaigns and generating results. If you're someone who's just getting into AI tools, MockMe.ai is one of the easiest to pick up, but it still offers enough depth for advanced users as well. In terms of pricing, MockMe.ai offers a free trial, so you can dive into the features without committing right away. This makes it an ideal option for those of you who want to experiment before you decide if it's right for your business. After trying thousands of AI tools myself, I can tell you that having the option to test something out at no cost is huge, especially when it's a tool that has the potential to improve your business processes like MockMe.ai does. Finally, the level of support MockMe.ai offers is something you'll want to know about. Their customer service team is responsive and knowledgeable, and there's a community of users and experts who are always willing to help out. For something as dynamic as AI, having solid support can make or break your experience. I highly recommend trying MockMe. AI for yourself. And remember, you can try it for free using the first link in the description below. This is just one of the many AI tools I've tested to help streamline digital marketing efforts, and MockMe.ai definitely stands out. So if you're looking to boost your productivity, automate your marketing, and start seeing better results, give MockMe.ai a try. And as always, I've included some of my other recommended AI tools in the description below that you can try for free based on my experience testing thousands of them. Don't forget to check out the link and start exploring how MockMe.ai can help take your business to the next level.